also welcome to Gordon Guitar. First time on this channel, Muni long, with a great song called Pain. So very chill song with some melody going on here with the picking, and you can also choose to play a strumming pattern, and that will go round and round through the entire song. So that's great. Let's start with capo on the 4th fret. That will be the easiest way to handle this song. And let's look at the chords and the chord progression. We'll start with the A minor 7. Alright, so that is open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have an E minor 7, but with a B in the bass, sort of. So that will be a grip here. That will be 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. So that's the E minor B. Then we have the F major 7. So that will be 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have an F major 7 sus 2. So what you do there, you just release the 2nd on G and make that G open. All right, so that will be 3rd on D, and then open G, 1st B, and open E. So that's the only difference. You get the sus 2 from the F major 7. All right, and that is pretty much the chords we need for this song. So the chord progression will be A minor 7, then the E minor B, and the F major 7, and then the F sus, and the E minor B, and the F sus 2. All right, so that is the chord progression. Now we will look at one way of picking this song. It will change a little bit here and there from the picking, and that is the picking, the nature of the picking. When it comes to play songs, they're normally just, it's a living thing there, so you play by feel, and it changes here and there. But I will give you how this song starts, the intro, and that is pretty much played through the entire song there. So let's start with the A minor 7. So when it comes to this way of playing, you don't pick only like this. Sometimes you make it like this, a short downstroke or so. So that gives more sound, especially when it goes slow like it does in the song. Then it's very common to make this downstroke slow by feel there. So that's the case with this one. It starts with the A minor 7. So you go, I use my fingers there, so I roll down the strings. You can just make a short downstroke like that. Try to land on the 1st fret B string, and then you add the 3rd fret E string, and that's the A minor 7. So then you shift to the E minor B, and you make the same downstroke there. Try to land on the 3rd fret B string, and that's the reason for why I like to use my fingers when I use this way, this technique, because I have more control. I can control where to land and which notes to emphasize. So this one, the E minor B, you want to emphasize the 3rd fret B string. Once you play that, you slide out to the 5th on the B string and go back to the 3rd fret B string. That is the E minor B part. So like that. All right, and then we have the F major 7. You play that again, not again, this is the first time. So you make a short downstroke there from the D to B. Try to land on the 1st fret B string, and then hit the extra note there on the 3rd fret B string. So, and then you play the 2 notes again as a bridge for the next chord progression round, you can say. And the 2 notes will be again 1st fret B string and 3rd fret B string. All right, so this is the first part, you can say. So A minor 7, the E minor B, and F major 7. So far it sounds like this. The bridge notes. And then comes the F major sus2. So you make a downstroke now on this one, and now you want to emphasize the open E string. You land, you just do one downstroke like that. Okay. And then you add the notes. You just go up there from the chord, so that will be open E, first B, and open G. And that is the F major 7 sus2. So downstroke and then open E, first B, open G. Then you go to the E minor B chord, downstroke, and you land on the 3rd fret B string. And then you go up with the strings there in the same way as you just played for the F major. This time you play, so that is open E, open G, and 3rd B. So a short downstroke, land on the 3rd fret B string, and then open E, open G, 3rd B. And then we have the final chord left, the F major 7 sus2, downstroke and land on the 1st fret B string. And then we have the notes, so that is 3rd on B, 3rd on D, and 1st on B. So the last chord, F major sus, was downstroke, land on the 1st fret B, then the notes 3rd B, 3rd D, and 1st B. And then we have the final 2 notes. It works as a bridge notes for the next round, and these are found here on the E string, bass, 3rd fret, and 4th fret. And then comes the A minor again, 7. So that is 1 round. All right, so a cool melody there. I'm gonna play it for you very slow, try to take down the tempo as much as I can, and still not lose the feeling here. So let's go, starting from A minor 7. And so on. So in standard tempo, something like this. And so on. And I add a couple notes here and there from the chord, and that should you do as well, because yeah, go by feel and hit some extra, doesn't matter, it actually just gets better. This is just a bass, like yeah, a bass you can go and play with. Okay, now we have the strumming left. And how do we do that? We have the A minor 7 as the first chord, so let's look at the strumming with this A minor 7. So the strumming will be down, up, clap, down. All right, that's 1 round. So down, up, clap, down. Down, up, clap, down. All right, so so now we have the A minor 7, 1 strumming round, the E B, A minor B, 1 strumming round, and F major 7, 2 strumming rounds. Then it starts with F major 7 sus 2, 1 round, and E minor / B, 1 round, and F sus 2, 2 rounds. So A minor 7 1, E minor B 1, F major 2, F sus 1, E minor B 1, and F sus 2. So with that, down, octave down, goes like this. Minor, E minor B, and F sus, E minor B, F sus 2, F, and so on. All right, so there you have this song. And yeah, if you wish, you can just try to play this and mix it up with some notes here and there into the strumming. That is a way of playing that I love, and it gets that much better in my opinion. And there's nothing wrong with it as soon as or as long as you stay with the chords. It will not do any harm if you just play some notes here and there. So it gets better. So I think I'm gonna finish off this a little bit spontaneous now, nothing prepared, but I'm gonna give you couple strumming rounds with the notes included here. So yeah, with that said, take care guys, and I hope to see you soon, and play tuned.